So it's been a hot minute, right? Last update was in 2023. I'm back. It's 2025. I look forward to sharing videos on environment and art direction videos going forward here on this channel. I am finally getting more comfortable and willing to share, more details on what's been going on the past couple of years in my career and my past experiences. So look forward to a lot more other videos on those things and kind of sharing the knowledge that I've gotten being an art director at indie studio, at a double A studio, and then at a triple A studio. And yeah, I look forward to sharing those things with all of you. And um, yeah, it's nice to be back. It's good to be back. Finally, have a little bit more time to actually share those things. So, thank you so much again for all your support the past few years, and yeah, I'll see you all again soon.